5. So our can I today is, can I use known facts and place value to multiply a whole number by a decimal? Okay, so before we start, I'm going to just to say it's really, really important when we're looking at today's lesson to think about that word place value and to be really careful when you're setting out your sum and making sure we're putting that decimal point in the right place. Okay, so I'm going to go through 3 examples with you first of all, and then we're going to have a look at today's do it. Okay, so I'm going to write it out first of all. So I've got 2 decimal point 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, so really, really important, where I said place value is one of the key things we're looking at today, I'm going to put my decimal point down there to start with so I don't forget it. Okay, and then I'm going to start. So 4 multiplied by 3 gives me 12. Make sure I carry the 1. 2 times 4 gives me 8. Making sure that I don't forget my 1 down there gives me 9.2. Okay, lovely. Right, let's have a look at another one together then. So we've got 0, decimal point 9, multiplied by 6. Okay, making sure that I'm putting my point there. Otherwise, I run the risk of forgetting it and then I would get the complete wrong answer, okay? So 9 multiplied by 6, so recalling my known facts of my multiplication of either my 6s or my 9s, depending on what you're better at. Okay, so I know that 9 times 6 is 54, so I'm going to put my 4 there. I'm going to put my 5 there so I don't forget him. 0 times 6. Okay, don't be tempted to put 6. It is, of course, 0 because 0 multiplied by any number will give you a 0. So I just need to put the 5 in there, which gives me 5.4. Okay, right, one more. Okay, I've got 1.47 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 1.47 multiplied by 5. Okay, not forgetting to put that decimal point here. Okay, so laying it out correctly, lining up that decimal point. 5 times 7, excellent, gives me 35. 5 times 4 gives me 20, making sure I carry the 3. It gives me 23. And then 1 multiplied by 5 gives me 5, 6, 7 from down there. Okay, giving me an answer of 7.35. Okay, right, I'm going to have a really brief look at your do it's for you today, and then just see what you send in to us. Okay, so first one, you can rewatch the start of this video if there's anything that you're a bit confused on, but I'm going to lay it out first of all. So this one here, I'm going to write 0.2 multiplied by 4. Not forgetting those steps that I said previously, lining up that decimal point. 4 multiplied by 2 gives me 8. 0 multiplied by 4 gives me 0. So my answer here that I would write is 0.8. Okay. We'd have a look one more together and then you can have a go on your own. Okay, so we've got 0.6. There we have them. Mrs. Walker's made a mistake. I'm going to rub that out. Okay, so we've got, let me go back. So I've got 0.2 again, multiplied by 6. There we go. So not forgetting to line up that decimal point. 6 multiplied by 2 gives me 12. 0 multiplied by 6 is 0. Not forgetting the 1 from underneath. Gives me 1.2. Okay. and then I would write that over here. Okay, so there's 3 there for you to have a little go at, and then you've got the twist it and the secure it as well to have a little go at. Okay, lovely.